Okay, I'm John. I'm with Kingdom Roofing. I've been asked to perform repairs that have been documented as necessary or as storm damage by State Farm. This is claim number 110G1Z 114. Again, that's 110G1Z 114. The date is July 8, 2026. It is around 2:20 p.m. We're on, I don't know, what's this, a 4.5, 12, 4.5, 12 pitch. Yeah, so I'm gonna attempt repairs up here. Right here you can see we're on the rear slope, rear elevation, and there's the front of the house, as you can see. And let's get started. Find a good place to so like I'll find a good place to set you. All right. I use the roof snake, regular roofing hammer. We get started. You see shingle X is marked. This shingle to be repaired or be replaced. I have my brand new shingle ready to go. All right. So I've numbered the shingles that could be potentially affected by this attempted repair. Shingle 1 underneath for mat transfer, shingle 2 because shingle 1 runs over, or the X shingle runs over here. Shingle 3 and 4 because shingle X, that's the one I'm removing, goes under 3 and 4. And then I forgot to write shingle 5 on the very upper one. Okay. So you can see this is got a little bit of a tear through there on shingle X. Might as well take a picture of it. Yeah, another tear on shingle X. See it right there. Make sure you can see it. Tear, that was pretty obvious. Eesh. All right, I'm looking for mat transfer. Seeing some, not as much as I would have thought. All right, let's start with 3. Tear through on 3. I'm going to walk you through all of these again. Yeah, tear through on 3. No surprise there. Tear on 3 again. Lord. That's the, what, 3rd, 4th tear on 3? we got mat transfer above X. All right, so 3's cooked. Let's see if I can get up under. Shit, shoot, sorry. You see that tear on 4? Can you see that? And I just had to, I needed to get under this edge, but this is pretty sealed. And we got mat transfer. Technically that shingle is damaged too. Well, 4 is damaged. 3 and 4 are damaged. In addition to some of the mat transfer on 1. Now the mat transfer is not a ton, but let's try 5. So right now it's a damage propagation ratio of 2 to 1. That's already domino effect. Tear through on 5. Another tear through. These are little, but it matters because that has compromised the service life of this shingle and its water shedding ability. And dang it, the tear. Shingle's so brittle. Get out here. I mean, you can see, I'm gonna bring the camera over. This is a fail. Let me write that first, just so my still pictures afterwards look better. Well, failed. Okay, let me show you what we got going on. You still rocking and rolling? Okay. Don't get seasick on me now. So we got, let's start with number 1, shingle X. Got a tear here. Got a tear here. Tear here. So that's the first shingle we did. Then, okay, we didn't have to do anything on this one. Shingle 4, tear here. So I was trying to get to this edge. And I knew that if I went in straight here, you're gonna have mat transfer, and I just worry about, you know, on the other side of this, you thinking I intentionally did that, or, you know. So I tried to go in the side that was a little loose and come over here to unseal it. On shingle 3, we got a tear through here. See that? Right there, and then there, and then here. So that's four tears in shingle 4 or shingle 3. And you can see a big one here on 5. 1, 2, second on 5, and then third on 5. So we got 3 shingles that are damaged with just 1 repair of 1. I consider this a fail. I couldn't warranty this work. You know the whole spiel. I can't return this roof to its pre-loss conditions. I noticed that you did mention some repairs in your email. Those repairs are old. So take that into consideration, I hope. Mr. Watkins, it's been a pleasure. Please let me know if you need anything else from me. Thank you.